So there are some things that we changed about the original game, Squirrel Eats Squirrel. If you can see right here, it is a really good game. As you can see, we can move around. But what our group thought was it looked boring. It didn't look like the message that we wanted to put out. We wanted to play around snow, but in a warm environment. So what we did was we changed many things. Sagar talked about we changed the background to white because we wanted it to represent the snow, and we also changed squirrels to beavers because it's Canada. We wanted to feel like home, so we also changed that. But we also made our game very unpredictable, very out of the ordinary, but it's fun. We added so many different things. We added a lot of stuff from SpongeBob. Or surprisingly enough, a lot of stuff. And we also added in Christmas trees because it's time to Christmas now. It's snowing everywhere, you know. It's time for Christmas. Everyone wants to get in that jolly mood. So we added that as well.